Welcome back to my channel. I am Meena and I'm gonna show you a super affordable highlighter which I have been using from like last 8 to 9 months, and I really love that highlighter. It's really good highlighter. That is this In Color Ka Miracle Touch highlighter, and you can see it has a reflex of gold in it. And let me show the swatch of it, and this is super smooth when you touch it, you see it. And this is the swatch. I agree it's a little bit powdery, but if you blend it, it just sinks it in your skin. I have applied this only on my face right now. So yeah, that's that. And for the price, it's for like 350 rupees, but on Myntra and on Amazon you can always get it on discount, and even if you buy it offline you will get it under 300 rupees. Like I've got it for around 250 or 270 ka. So that's that. And this is a really good highlighter. Like let me just again apply it because I love doing it. I'm using this fan brush, and then I'm just taking this of the axis. Can you see this? I agree it is powdery, but see the price you are paying. And मैं prefer क्या कर लगाने के बाद I just dab it, and ये स्किन के अंदर बिल्कुल ऐसे एब्जॉर्ब सा हो जाता है, ऐसा लगता है this is a within glow. So yeah, I really love this one and I would highly recommend you buying it too. And इसमें बहुत सारे शेड होते हैं. इसमें I think blush का शेड भी है. So if you like shimmery blush or highlighting blusher blush topper, yeah, you can get this in that blush wala color also. But I have this in the shade rose gold, and I can see like ये ना ऐसा highlighter है, ये ना champagne है ना gold है, ये एक mix है. And I really love this because ये हर outfit के साथ हर makeup के साथ चल जाता है. That's why. So yeah, when I bought it, I found it like पहले व्यूज़ पे कि बहुत पाउडरी है, बट अगर आप इसे ढंग से लगाकर ब्लेंड कर दोगे सेटिंग्स पे या लगा के ब्लेंडर से डैप कर दोगे, सो इट विल जस्ट लुक लाइक अ विद इन ग्लो, जैसे ये अभी लग रहा है. Yeah, that's that. I really love using this highlighter. So yeah, that was my mini review of this highlighter. If you want to create more such mini reviews, I will, but this is a steal deal for the price you pay. This is really good for the price you pay, like 250 or 300 के अंदर this good highlighter. Obviously आई शेडोज आते हैं जिससे आप ऐसा हाईलाइटर यूज़ कर सकते हो, बट हाईलाइटर प्रॉपर हाईलाइटर it is really good for the price you pay, and I would highly recommend you buying this. And this is baked one, so ये और glowy रहता है, ये baked है, so yeah, that's why it's more glowy. I just can't stop swatching it. So yeah, the only con is it is powdery, but again you can work with it if you know how to work with the makeup. So yeah, but I would suggest it. Use it, apply it, then use a setting spray and then dab it if you like more of a natural finish. And if you like बहुत blingy वाले highlighter, just apply it again after using a setting spray. So yeah, that's that. I hope that this review was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.